Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Realme 9. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, try searching for an app and write Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open the app. Here, customize it by signing in to turn on synchronization with other devices that are using the same browser. You can sign in right here or add account right there. Now let's skip that for now, and here you can enable or disable data sharing preferences with Microsoft. I'm gonna disable that and move to the next step. Here you can set Microsoft Edge as default browser, but if you don't want it, click Not Now. I'm gonna do it, set as default browser, select Edge and then set as default. And right here we have our browser fully working. We can open any website and it should load without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.